I'm really trying to explore not just how can we design an app that helps one person to improve their own behavior, but really how can we design systems that connect people in new ways to care for the health of others that are in their social network. So what would visualizations look like? What would social computing applications look like? Really trying to think outside of the box about what technology is that really help people take this to the next level. It's really how can we design systems that empower people to be agents of change more broadly.